As I'm driving to a cabin for the weekend, I reflect on today's morning. It's just one of those mornings that, for no apparent reason, I'm feeling in a bad mood. I'm easily irritated, I snap, I have dialogues in my head that I don't know where they're coming from and why are they so strongly negative towards just about anything. So here I am stuck in a car, wanting to escape my feelings and thoughts, trying to look at the bright side. I'm going out on a cabin trip with my girlfriend and it's gonna be snowy and just beautiful, but I just can't shake this feeling. And the worst part is that I just don't know why I'm feeling this way. But then I spot a place that I've driven by several times, and every time I've driven by this place, I look at the landscape and think, wow, this is amazing. I should stop and just take it in, or take a picture, or something. But all those times, I've never actually stopped to look and to just enjoy the view that I was inspired to actually stop. But I just, for whatever reason, didn't give myself the option to stop and just enjoy that moment. And that's not even when I was in a bad mood like today. So what made me really think that today was gonna be the day that I stop in this place and actually enjoy the landscape that I was seeing? Without warning, some words flew out of my mouth, and I told my girlfriend, "Oh, it's so beautiful here. We should stop so I can paint this nice landscape." Even though I don't know what took over me, that was basically true. I was stressing a bit of not having enough light once we got to the cabin to paint. And this was the perfect opportunity to stop and just pull out my brushes and start painting. And even though it was really windy, it was kind of snowing at the beginning, the light started shifting. By the end, everything was glowing. I could no longer feel the cold wind. That heaviness that I was feeling this whole morning up until this moment, it was gone. And this was not from the result of the painting. Even though I was satisfied with the painting, that was not the reason why the feeling was gone. So I started thinking and analyzing and trying to see the relationship of why this happened. Why am I feeling better? As if it was a bad thing. And the only answer I could find was that small decision, that it was not even made consciously, of actually stopping, listening to my intuition, and resetting my energy with this landscape, this place that I've drove by so many times. I guess I was saving it for a special moment where I just needed to press that reset button and breathe. I smiled at myself at this realization. I packed my things and I headed to the car with a modest smile on my face. I opened the door, I thanked my girlfriend for waiting, and we resumed our journey to the cabin, where I'm hoping we'll have a nice, relaxing, and quiet weekend together. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow.